Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Malik Farooq. For the class 11th, the topic is class Mammalia, the last class of animal kingdom. It's a Greek word, mammy, means milk glands, class Mammalia. Let us study the character of class Mammalia. Number first, exoskeleton. They are hairy quadrupeds. Quadrupeds means they have four quadrupeds. They have hairy quadrupeds. Quadri means four, pads means panje. Exoskeleton quadrupeds and they are hairy means their skin जो है उसके बाद बहुत सारे बाल होते हैं, hairy. These have two pair of pentadactyl limbs. Penta means five, dactyl means पंजे, limbs. यहाँ पैड्स दे आर हेयर quadrupeds. पाँव जो है पैड्स मीन्स quadrupeds मीन्स जो उनके पाँव हैं वो हेयरी हैं. दे हैव टू पेयर्स ऑफ पेंटाटेक्टाइल लिम्स. Digits have nails or claws or hoops. Limbs are variously modified to adopt different types of locomotion like walking, for example, man, running, for example, ungulates. Rodents, carnivores, burrowing, for example, lagomorphs, swimming, for example, whales, and flying, for example, bats, lemur, etc. So the different types of legs or different types of pentadactyl limbs, they act differently. For example, in man, they help in walking. Running, for example, ungulates, rodents, carnivores, burrowing. So there are different types of pentadactyl limbs, but there are pentadactyl limbs have different types of functions. Now skin. Skin is glandular and has two types of glands. Oil glands are sebaceous glands and sweat glands, sudoriferous glands. Number fourth character of them is exoskeleton, बाहर वाला जो skin है, is mainly bony. Skull is dicondylic. Lower jaw is formed of only dentary or mandibular bone. Neck is generally has 7 cervical vertebrae. All these vertebrae are amphityl. एंडोस्केलेटन इज मैनली बोनी. जो बाहर वाला स्केलेटन है वो बोनी है, इसमें हड्डियाँ हैं. डाइकॉन्डाइलिक, दो हड्डियों पर मुश्तमिल है. हम तो जो नीचे क्लास थे उनमें मोनोकॉन्डाइलिक था, यहाँ डाइकॉन्डाइल यानी दो हड्डियों पर उनका सर जो है सुख खड़ा हो जाता है. नंबर 5, सेल्यूम इज डिवाइडेड इनटू इंटीरियर थोरेसिक कैविटी एंड पोस्टीरियर एब्डोमिनल कैविटी बाय डायाफ्राम. क्लास में आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें मिलेंगी जो थोड़ा हाई लेवल पे है. सेल्यूम, वहाँ सेल्यूम जो था वो किसी फाइला में सीडोसेलम था, किसी में ट्रू सेलम था, किसी में बाकी उस पर करेक्टर थे. लेकिन यहाँ जो सेलूम है विच इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू इंटीरियर थोरेसिक कैविटी, इसमें सीने में तब्दील हो जाती है, एंड पोस्टीरियर एब्डोमिनल कैविटी और नीचे वाले एब्डोमिनल में उसकी मॉडिफिकेशन होती थी बाय डायाफ्राम. Diaphragm, the space between the lungs. Mouth is bounded by two movable lips. Teeth are heterodont. Teeth इनके heterodont होते हैं. Incisors, molars, premolars, canyons. Different types. Thecodont in sockets of jaw bones, and generally diphyodont presence of two parts of teeth. Gut opens out by the ends. Number 7. These show only pulmonary and lung respiration. Sound producing organ is always larynx, which is supported by 4 cartilages. Glottis can be closed by the epiglottis. इनका जो एक और करेक्टर है वो है पल्मनरी टाइप ऑफ दे रेस्पायर थ्रू द लंग्स. रेस्पिरेशन इज साउंड बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन. रेस्पिरेशन sound producing organ is always larynx, which is supported by the four cartilages. Heart is four-chambered. RBCs are biconcave and denucleated except camel and ilma. Heart is four-chambered. इनका जो दिल होता है four-chambered, just like us. In a man, we have two auricles and two ventricles. Heart is four-chambered. RBCs are biconcave. Number 9. Brain has 12 pairs of cranial nerves. 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Optic quadrigemina are 4 optic lobes, and corpus callosum are found only in the brain of mammals. Number 10. Internal ears has coiled cloaca with hearing apparatus called organs of Coti. Middle ear has 3 ear ossicles, stapes, uncus, and malleus, and external ear has also pinna. Internal ear opens in the pharynx. Kidneys are bean-shaped. Excretion is urotelic. The kidneys are bean-shaped. Excretion is urotelic. Number 12. Sexes are unisexual and generally show sexual dimorphism. Male has copulatory organs called pins. Testes lie in the second pouches called secretal sacs. Eggs are generally microlithical with little yolk. Fertilization is internal. Female is generally viviparous except prototherians, for example, egg-laying mammals. Embryo is surrounded by the amnion, so placed in the amniota. They show high degree of parental care. Female suckle the young on her milk for some time. Milk is produced by the mammary glands, which is most peculiar feature of the mammals. Why are mammals called mammary? Why are this class called Mammalia? This is one of the character by which we can call them mammals. For example, character number 12. Sexes are unisexual and are generally show sexual dimorphism. Male has copulatory organs called pins. Testes lie in the second pouches called secretal. Eggs are generally microlithical with little yolk. Fertilization is internal. Female is generally viviparous except protherians, egg-laying mammals. Embryo is surrounded by the amnion, so placed in the amniota. They show high degree of parental care. Female suckles the young one on her milk for some time. Milk is produced by the mammary glands, which is most peculiar feature of the class Mammalia. Milk is produced by the mammary glands, which is the most peculiar feature of the Mammalia. That's why we stress on this point, class Mammalia. These are homothermal, warm-blooded animals, so have high metabolic rate. Mammals are most adapted vertebrates, so are capable to live in the very variety of habitats. For example, penguins, and polar bear in the polar caps. Deserts, for example, kangaroo. Mountains, for example, yak. Forests, for example, apes. Grasslands, deer, lion, etc. For example, bats. Aquatic, for example, whales, seals, and burrows, for example, rabbits, rodents, etc. Now, this class Mammalia includes about 4,400 living species till date. It may vary, but generally or virtually we have the information about that it contains 4,400 living species. And the important groups of class Mammalia are prototherians, egg-laying mammals, metatherians, pouched mammals, eutherians, true mammals. Thank you. Thanks for watching.